Hi, this is Brian, Shiva Functionally Fit. In this call, I'm going to demonstrate an isometric bridge with some alternate and reciprocal lower extremity movement patterns to really challenge hip and core stability. This is a higher level activity. It's going to require kind of moving your clients towards it. But for those that need a little bit of a challenge to really work on building better single limb stability, you'll think that this can be very helpful. You're going to walk out on the stability ball, position it below the head, neck, scapula, and then cue them to kind of squeeze the glutes, tuck up and under, and maintain a good neutral spine alignment. And normally I'll start with just some really low level marching movements when they're in this position, so we're just kind of lifting, getting them used to the instability that's going to come, and it's really challenging with that ball movement. Okay, so you can do 5 or 10 each leg. You can also work on more of a leg extension where we're coming out. These need to be slow and deliberate. And you'll notice I've got my arms kind of pushing into the ball for a little bit of help. If you come here, it's a lot more demanding on the core and a lot more rotational instability that ensues. So, again, it's a very high level activity, but it's an advanced movement pattern. It's going to really challenge them to lock in and fight that instability that happens. As a regression, you could just work in more of an isometric bridge pattern, stay on the ball, and then bring the arms up, and then even maybe into this type of position for instability. But again, really challenging way to take your clients looking for more of an advanced and unique stability challenge to work on hip and core at the same time.